Now, taking that a step further, Katie, what are the best ways to prevent future outbreaks and pandemics like this?
I love that you asked that question. I have a couple of things. Number one, vaccines are really important. They help prevent outbreaks and potentially other kinds of diseases that have gone pandemic in the past and could again, especially if enough people aren't vaccinated for them. Infrastructure, so things like clean water and sanitation, and then investing in public health infrastructure specifically, so local health agencies, local public health agencies, the CDC, the National Institutes of Health, those kinds of things, and then research that can help us identify potential pathogens. Those are sort of the investment opportunities that will really help us to identify potential pandemics before they start, and that helps us prevent those things from happening again. And unfortunately, the real response to this is, this will happen again because unfortunately, things like spillover, which is when an animal and a human being interact in a way that is sort of unusual and allows for a virus or bacterium to cross over into people. That does happen, and it will happen again. But these are sort of the preliminary steps that we can take in order to try to prevent that from happening. And especially because we do have these tools like vaccines that help us to prevent this from happening with pathogens that we're already aware of, like measles, polio, those sorts of things.